The Lisa scheduler is responsible for executing all the tasks the Lisa has to do so that you can operate the Lisa without user interaction. In this video I will tell you everything you want to know about this great feature. The easiest way to show how the scheduler works is by using Claudio. I have logged into Claudio and I enter the task schedules menu. What I do here is add a new schedule. I give it a name. As I already have a schedule here, I will name it my second schedule. And I will assign this schedule to the players in this player group. Now we have to add tasks to the schedule. What we here see is that the schedule already has one task, that's time synchronization. Each time a schedule is loaded to the Lisa, the time of the Lisa is being updated by the time of Claudio. Now we add a new task. We do this by pressing this button. We see here the list of tasks. I want to keep this example simple, so what I will show here some basic commands. What we want to do is we want to update the configuration of the device each day from today at noon. We can do it only today, but we also can do it during all days. We mentioned this a repeating task. I set this for each days, and then you see it here, the task is added to the list. So the second task is update configuration each day at midnight. Now we add the task as we want. It starts playing a stream. It starts playing the first stream in the list each morning at 8 AM. And it should do this also all days. If you want, you also can say that it only should work until a specific date, but for this example this is not necessary. I add the final task. I want to power off the device each day from today 7 PM, and I also do that during all days. So we have now created a very simple schedule. Starts the day with updating the configuration. It starts playing a stream from 8 o'clock in the morning and it powers the device off at 7 PM. But what if the task list changes? Then we also need to update the task list. So we add a last task to update the schedule starting from today, and we do it at 12:30 in the morning and also each day. It doesn't matter, the order is different in this list. The schedule in the Lisa is intelligent, so it knows how to execute the tasks at the correct times. So now we have created my second schedule. The second step is to add this schedule to a player. We do this in the players menu. I have here my test device. In this situation it is already running a different schedule, and what I will do here is change the schedule, and I do this way very easily and press on save. What we can see here that the device has not retrieved this configuration. The easiest way to do that is by giving the device a power cycle. I will show it you now. I power on the device, I wait for a while, and once the device has powered up, we see now the device has retrieved the configuration. And what I hear now, it's not playing preset one. We go now to the mounting and control menu and check what the player is doing. At this moment it should play the stream, but what we see here is playing from the card instead. The reason behind that is that the task list says it should start playing at 9 o'clock in the morning, but now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and the player does not know what it should do now. So we need to help the player, and we can do that by sending a return command. This is a command which is sent to the player after a monitoring log is received. So we want to enforce playing of stream 1, and we do that by giving this command, and I come back later to the point where you can find all these commands. We put this command in the queue, and then Once monitoring comes, this command is being sent to the player. We see the command has been sent and some data has been received, which is okay. So this means the data is received correctly. And what we hear now is that it looks like the stream is being played, and when we wait for a moment we also see that in the monitoring log. See, we see now the monitoring log of the stream which is playing correctly stream 1. A special group of tasks is related to the management of the content on the SD card of the Lisa player. This content can be music tracks, commercial tracks, announcement tracks and playlists. You can determine for all the tasks when these should be executed. You could say these tasks should be executed once new content is available, but we have learned this is not a great idea. It is much more reliable to update the content on certain moments of the day, for example during the night. The main reason for this is bandwidth. Store and forward is often used in situations where internet bandwidth is an issue, so you want to use it effectively. It is a very common setting to update content only during the night, so that during daytime the internet is available for other applications. The full update command is meant to download all the tracks and playlists which are available on the server to the SD card in the Lisa. On Claudio you should use this command also for updating your announcements. To limit the amount of data which needs to be uploaded, you also can decide to update only the playlists. For this purpose, the up command is available. In this case, all the playlists which are available on the server are downloaded to the SD card. If commercial plans are used, there is also the UCP command for downloading the commercial plans. As you can see, it's all quite straightforward. The last command I will discuss is the CC command, which is used for automatic card cleanup. Once you start this command, the audio tracks which are not mentioned in the playlists which are on the card are removed automatically. To prevent unwanted removal of audio tracks, you can create a keep.me file which contains a list of track names which should remain on the SD card. As you will understand, there are many commands which can be executed by the task scheduler. These are fully documented in the Lisa user manual. Please note that not all commands which are available can be scheduled as a task in Claudio, as this makes no sense. I hope you understand now how valuable and important the scheduler in the Lisa is and how you can use it with Claudio. Thanks for watching.